Hello everybody, welcome back to TabiEats recipe video. Today I will make Japanese style umeboshi and chicken pasta spaghetti. So, few weeks ago, I made a video about how to use 10 different way of pickled plum umeboshi. Today is the 11th way.
11th way.
How to use pickled plum.
Yeah, that was a really good video, by the way.
Thank you. So first, I will prepare this perilla leaves. I'm using three perilla leaves. If you can't find perilla leaves, so the green onion is a good substitution. So remove the stem first. Remove this stem first. This part is very hard to eat. And roll like this. Roll like this. Chop or slice. So you can make the strings of perilla leaves. This is the easiest way to make this. I love this aroma. Really nice. Really nice. Why I'm using this perilla leaves? Because perilla leaves is a good friend of pickled plum. Next, I will prepare this pickled plums. Umeboshi. First, remove the seeds. Remove the seeds. I love this umeboshi. This umeboshi is really tasty. In Japan, in summer, hot summer day, we are said to eat one pickled plum a day. It's very good for your health. So I remove the seeds and chop like this. Chop. We call it hit, tataki. Make this pickled plum like paste. I love tataki ume pickled plum paste.
Are you going to use the seeds?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh, you want to eat seed?
Umeboshi makes me happy.
Don't eat seed. Don't eat seed. Just lick.
Yeah, you can just suck on the seed. A lot of flavor on seed. So this ume paste, guys, you can use this right away as a filling for onigiri rice balls. You can make shisomaki, which is sushi, with this. And I don't know, like you could just eat this as is if you want. A little bit behind the scenes, cleaning up in between shooting.
Yes, you don't want to see dirty plate. So next, I will prepare this chicken meat. I'm using chicken breast. If you like, please use chicken thigh. I think today's recipe, chicken breast is better
Why?
because it is not fatty.
Oh, okay.
This is one chicken breast, but I don't use so much. About one third of chicken thigh of this.
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast. Sorry, chicken breast. I will use for another recipe.
Yes.
This chicken breast is really thick. It takes a long time to cook, so I will cut into half like this. Okay. And sprinkle salt and pepper. Both sides. Like this. And cook on the frying pan. Okay, turn on the heat. Pour a little bit oil, cooking oil. Not so much. I don't use so much. Today's chicken piece is small, so you don't need so much oil. Okay, frying pan is ready. So put this chicken meat on this frying pan and cook about 5 minutes one side. To make it cook faster, close the lid. I think one side is okay, so flip it over. Nice. Looks perfect. So cover and grill about 5 minutes more.
So you've made the ume video, you made the wasabi video. I think some of the viewers out there wanted you to do something with shiokoji, which is an ingredient. What is shiokoji exactly?
Shiokoji in English, if I explain in English, it's really weird.
Weird? What is it in
Yes,
English?
because it is the mold on the rice or mold.
The mold on the rice. Like rice mold. Ew.
But it's the ingredients of sake, Japanese sake,
That's true.
or miso. Very
Or
important
miso.
Japanese bacteria.
That's true.
Koji is a
And it's supposed to be
bacteria.
very good for you.
Good, very
and
good.
And I hear, well, shiokoji's become very popular here in Japan. It's used for so many things. It also helps to tenderize meats.
Yes, tenderize
right?
meat.
Yeah, but I like this series, and if you guys are enjoying this series of how to use one specific ingredient, please let us know that you're enjoying it in the comments down below. That will let us know to keep making videos like that.
Done. So, looks very yummy. It's already, it looks already yummy. Take it out and cool it down while on the plate. Okay, during cooling down this chicken meat, I will boil pasta, spaghetti. Here is, this is for one person. I put into this boiling water. I already put salt inside. Wow. Last week, Shinichi said, why we do like this, like because to prevent from sticking each other, push these pasta noodles into this boiling water immediately. He said, but regularly I use a more deep pot for boiled spaghetti, but it takes a long time to make the hot water. And sometimes I use 100 yen shop tool. Do you know the spaghetti cooker? It's pretty easy and useful.
Which actually reminds me that we haven't done a gadget video in a while.
Yeah, right.
So
I have so many stocks.
You have so much stock.
Yeah.
Why haven't you made one?
We have to. Let's do that.
Yeah, we should.
Let's do that.
Yeah, we should. Right? We should make a gadget video if you have stock.
Yes. Oh, I forgot to check the time.
So how long are you boiling the pasta?
8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Okay, during boiling pasta, I will shred this chicken meat. I will make it slice. Like this, shred. If you can shred by your hand, it's okay. Please do that. I'm slicing, and make it like julienne. Like this. Ooh. Do you like chicken breast meat? I like chicken size better regularly. Today's recipe is good for chicken breast, but regularly I use chicken thigh for like karaage or hot pot dish. To check that it is boiled or not, take one pasta, one spaghetti, and bite. 1 more minute. Okay, spaghetti is ready. So turn off the heat and take these spaghetti out into this colander. Yeah, tongue is much faster than chopsticks. Okay. Then put into this bowl, large size bowl, and pour olive oil as much as you like. I put about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and add the paste of pickled plum, a little bit soy sauce, about half teaspoon of soy sauce, and instant dashi powder, about quarter teaspoon of dashi powder. Mix very well. This process is important. The pickled plum paste is a little bit difficult to spread evenly, so this process is important. Okay, I think this is good. And add chicken meat. And combine. Okay. Then serve on your favorite plate. Looks delicious. And Justin is biting something here. Justin, what are you doing?
What are you doing? What is he eating? Did you drop anything? Did you drop something on the ground?
Is it chicken meat? Maybe.
Maybe it could be chicken you dropped on the ground.
Okay, and then spread this shredded nori seaweed and this perilla leaves. Perilla leaves.
Shiso.
Shiso. Put rest of ume paste. So please leave a little bit ume paste when you combine with pasta. Pickled plum, umeboshi, and chicken meat spaghetti is ready. So here you go.
Yay!
Ume and chicken breast spaghetti.
Ooh, that looks delicious. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like the smell of the nori.
Nori.
The
yeah.
nori. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna try to get all the ingredients in one
all
bite.
all the ingredients in one bite, please.
Okay, so the shiso, the perilla leaf, the ume, the nori, and chicken.
Yes.
Cannot forget the chicken. I like the way the
Chicken
it's grilled.
and ume is a very good friend. Sometimes we eat yakitori with pickled plum, umeboshi.
It's really good.
Good. I'm glad you enjoying.
Oh, I really like it. The the umeboshi, the pickled plum, is the accent
Yes.
of the dish.
Yes.
Oh, it's really nice. And the perilla leaves, really nice too.
Perilla leaves is a very best friend of umeboshi. When we make umeboshi, we use perilla leaves.
You get that herby taste from the perilla leaf. You get that char grilled taste from the chicken, the sourness from the plum, and of course the ocean flavor of the nori goes so well together. Really, really well balanced pasta. I love this. I really do. Good job.
Thank you so
Good
much.
job.
If you like umeboshi, please try once. This is another dimension.
Yeah, and even if you don't like umeboshi, I think it's worth giving it a try because the umeboshi in this dish just acts an accent. It's not the main thing. And so it's really, really nice. I definitely think you guys should give it a try, even if you don't like umeboshi.
I think you will change the image of umeboshi. So hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe.
Yes, please do. And if you have any suggestions on what you guys like us to make next time, please let us know by writing down in the comments below.
Thank you for watching. See you on next delicious recipe video. Bye!
Bye bye!